Welcome to Choice Champions. The best Canon R5 is probably one of the most anticipated camera releases in recent memory, and for good reason, as it packs an incredible amount of power and features into a relatively compact body, making it a top contender for professionals and serious enthusiasts alike who demand top-tier performance for both photography and videography. Number 5. Canon EOS 90D DSLR Camera. Experience incredible detail with its 32.5 megapixel CMOS sensor. This camera is designed to bring your vision to life with exceptional clarity and color. Shoot at an impressive 10 frames per second without any lag. It's perfect for capturing fast-paced action, ensuring you get the perfect shot every time. Record breathtaking video in 4K UHD at 30 frames per second, or slow down the action with Full HD at 120 frames per second. Unleash your creativity with professional-grade video capabilities. Achieve sharp focus with its advanced 45-point all-cross-type AF system. It supports metering even at f8, ensuring your subject is always in focus, no matter the conditions. Built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth make sharing your creations effortless. Connect and transfer images or control your camera remotely with ease. Transform your camera into a high-quality webcam using the EOS utility software or its clean HDMI output. Elevate your video calls and streaming with superior image quality. What we like. If you're looking for a versatile DSLR that offers excellent image quality for its class, this is a solid choice. Its high-speed shooting and advanced autofocus make it great for capturing action. Consider this if you are an enthusiast photographer who wants a reliable workhorse for various subjects. What people say. The Canon R5 is a fantastic camera that delivers stunning image quality, even in low light conditions. Its autofocus system is incredibly fast and accurate, making it easy to capture sharp images of moving subjects. The in-body image stabilization is a game-changer, allowing for handheld shots at slower shutter speeds without blur. Number 4. Sony A7 III Full-Frame Mirrorless Camera. Experience breathtaking detail with its advanced 24.2 MP full-frame image sensor. It captures images with incredible clarity and a wide dynamic range. Record professional quality 4K video at up to 30 frames per second. This camera brings your cinematic visions to life with exceptional detail. Never miss a moment with its sophisticated autofocus system. It boasts 693 phase detection points for swift and accurate focusing across 93% of the frame. Shoot steady, blur-free photos and videos, even in challenging conditions. Its 5-axis in-body stabilization compensates for camera shake, ensuring sharp results. Capture fast action with continuous shooting speeds of up to 10 frames per second. Whether using the silent or mechanical shutter, it keeps up with your pace. Keep shooting for longer with impressive battery performance. It offers approximately 610 shots with the viewfinder or 710 shots using the LCD monitor. What we like. For creators who demand exceptional low-light performance and incredible detail, this full-frame mirrorless camera is a standout. Its in-body stabilization is a game-changer for handheld shooting and video. If you prioritize image quality and flexibility in challenging lighting, this camera should be at the top of your list. What people say. The Canon EOS R5 is a professional-grade mirrorless camera that offers stunning image quality, advanced autofocus capabilities, and robust video features. Its 45 megapixel full-frame sensor captures incredible detail, making it ideal for landscape, portrait, and wildlife photography. The camera's in-body image stabilization system provides up to 8 stops of shake correction, allowing for sharper handheld shots in low-light conditions. Number 3. Canon EOS 5D Mark IV DSLR Camera. Experience stunning detail and clarity with its 30.4 megapixel full-frame sensor. It's designed to deliver outstanding results, even in challenging lighting conditions. Equipped with a high-performance Digic 6 Plus image processor, it ensures fast operation and continuous shooting at up to 7.0 frames per second. Its wide ISO range offers incredible flexibility. Record breathtaking 4K video at 30 or 24 frames per second. It also offers full HD and HD options, making it a versatile tool for all your video recording needs. Benefit from the superb dual-pixel CMOS AF for smooth and responsive focusing during video and live view shooting. The full touchscreen interface makes selecting your focus area effortless. Connect wirelessly with built-in Wi-Fi for easy file viewing and transfer. Share your creations instantly by sending files to your mobile device via the Canon Camera Connect app. Its EF mount offers compatibility with a wide range of lenses, providing endless creative possibilities for both photography and videography. What we like. This camera is built for professionals who need robust performance and stunning image quality in a variety of demanding situations. Its high resolution and advanced autofocus system ensure you capture every detail with precision. If you're a seasoned photographer or videographer who values reliability and top-tier image rendering, this is an excellent option. What people say. The Canon EOS R5 is a fantastic camera, especially for those who shoot both photos and videos. Its autofocus system is incredibly fast and accurate, tracking subjects with ease, even in challenging lighting conditions. The image quality from the R5 is superb, producing sharp, detailed images with excellent dynamic range and beautiful colors. The in-body image stabilization is also a game-changer, allowing for handheld shots at much slower shutter speeds than previously possible. Video capabilities are top-notch, with 8K RAW internal recording being a standout feature. The camera handles heat well during extended recording sessions, making it a reliable tool for professional videographers. Number 2. Canon EOS R6 Full-Frame Mirrorless Camera. Introducing the Canon EOS R6, a revolutionary full-frame mirrorless camera designed to elevate your photography and videography. Experience breathtaking detail with its new 20.1 megapixel full-frame CMOS sensor. Capture vibrant images even in challenging lighting conditions with an ISO range up to 102,400. The Digic X image processor ensures lightning-fast performance. Shoot incredible action with continuous shooting speeds of up to 12 frames per second mechanically or 20 frames per second electronically. Achieve razor-sharp focus with dual-pixel CMOS AF, covering nearly 100% of the frame with 1053 AF areas. Its intelligent subject tracking locks onto people and animals with remarkable accuracy. Record stunning 4K UHD video up to 60p. This camera empowers you to create professional quality cinematic content with ease. Never miss a shot with dual UHS-2 SD card slots, offering ample storage and fast transfer speeds for your photos and videos. What we like. If you're a hybrid shooter who needs speed, advanced autofocus, and reliable media storage, this camera excels. Its impressive burst rates and sophisticated subject tracking, including for animals, make it ideal for fast-paced action. This is the one to consider if you want cutting-edge mirrorless technology for both stills and video. What people say. The Canon EOS R5 is a professional-grade mirrorless camera that offers stunning image quality and advanced features. Its 45-megapixel full-frame sensor captures incredible detail, making it ideal for landscape, portrait, and wildlife photography. The camera's autofocus system is remarkably fast and accurate, with excellent subject tracking capabilities. Number 1. Canon EOS R RF 24-105mm f4-7.1 ISSTM Lens Kit. Introducing the Canon EOS R RF 24-105mm f4-7.1 ISSTM Lens Kit, designed for vloggers and content creators. This compact and lightweight mirrorless camera delivers stunning 4K UHD video and crisp photos. Experience exceptional image quality with its full-frame CMOS sensor and Digic 8 image processor. Capture incredible detail with 30.3 megapixels for both photos and high-resolution videos. Achieve sharp focus in as little as 0.05 seconds with dual-pixel CMOS AF. With 5,655 selectable AF points, you can effortlessly track and capture fast-moving subjects. This kit includes the versatile RF 24-105mm f4-7.1 ISSTM lens, perfect for travel and everyday shooting. It also seamlessly integrates with your existing EF and EFS lenses. Compose your shots with ease using the built-in electronic viewfinder and the vari-angle touchscreen LCD. Its compact and lightweight design makes it ideal for on-the-go creators. The selectable silent electronic shutter ensures you can capture moments discreetly in any environment without disturbing the scene. What we like. This camera is perfect for content creators and travelers who want full-frame quality in a more accessible package. Its lightweight design and versatile kit lens make it easy to carry and use for everyday shooting. If you're looking for a user-friendly entry into full-frame mirrorless with excellent video capabilities, this is a great starting point. What people say. The Canon EOS R5 is a professional-grade mirrorless camera that offers incredible image quality and performance. Its autofocus system is remarkably fast and accurate, tracking subjects with ease, even in challenging lighting conditions. The camera's in-body image stabilization is a game-changer, allowing for sharp handheld shots at slower shutter speeds. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.